Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix this type of error accessory not spotted. This accessory is not spotted by this device on your iPhone and iPad. So when you plug in your charger to your iPad or iPhone, it's showing this type of error. So how can you fix it? Just simply make sure that if any dust isn't available in your iPhone, so you have to clean it from a brush, and after that check whether your palm has been fixed or not. And if the palm still is there, then what you need to do is just simply make sure that your accessory or your cable is not damaged from anywhere. So you have to make sure that your cable or your accessory is not damaged. And the third thing is that you have to make sure that your cable or your charger is ported to devices and verified from Apple. And the third thing is that you have to make sure that your charger isn't overheated. If your charger is overheated, then you have to cool it down and then check whether your palm has been fixed or not. And if the palm select is there, then what you need to do is just simply turn the aeroplane mode on, and then you have to restart your phone, and after that plug in your charger. So after doing all these things, hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's it guys for today video. If the video is helpful, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.